In this portal, I'm logged in as the computing coordinator. I teach a class, actually I teach two, Dolphins and Wrens classes, so it's easy for me to go to the work area and explore the work in Dolphins and Wrens classes, accessing the pupils folders to evidence work, and access the to-dos folders to access previous to-dos that I've done and current to-dos. But I'd like to see what work Robin's class have done, so how do I do that? I go up to the menu to the top right and I go to Admin Settings. In here, I can choose Manage Users. To the left, I see Staff. I can see that Julia is the teacher of Robin's class. I'm going to select Julia, and from the menu to the top right, I'm going to click on Impersonate User. I'm now in Purple Mash as if I am Julia. So when I go to the work area and I explore classes, I can see Robin's class, and I can use these menus to explore the work in the pupil folders and in the to-dos that Robin's class have done. Once I'm finished, I can go up to the menu and I can go back to being me. I'm just going to click back arrow to exit. If I want to export any of the work as I'm looking around, I can go to the work area. I can go into the class and I can go into the class's to-dos. Let's go into the Wrens to-dos. I can go back to a previous to-do and select the work I'd like to get out. I'm going to choose the Nile here. I'm going to select the work that I want to export from Purple Mash, and then using the menu to the top right, I'm going to print. If I choose Include Comments and File Details, and then Print, this will generate me a PDF with each of the pieces of work I've selected in it. I can then save that to my computer, email it, or print it as I wish. If I open the PDF to print, you'll see here each piece of work with the children's name, the date they completed it, and any comments added at the top.